These are 5 ways to level up your sound with cluster delay. Number 1, hypnotics. Set the taps to whatever amount you prefer. Move the timeline to 1/8 triplet notes. Crank your feedback up to about 76%, spread around 20. In the frequency shifter, put mix at 50 and your shift around between 1 and 5 hertz. Then play with the ramp, spacing, and scatter as you see fit. Here's dry. Here it is with the delay on. Number 2, softening and reverb-like effects. Take advantage of cluster delay's diffusion engine down here. Set the ramp down to about -50%. Again, put your taps wherever you'd like them. Let's do 8 for this. Make the diffusion size nice and big, and place the modulation wherever you see fit in your track. Check it out dry. And now with this nice softening delay. It's great for like a back layer. Number 3, creative madness. Start by making a ramping up buffer. Crank this thing about 75%. Set that timing back to 1/32 notes. And then we're gonna add just a touch of frequency modulation. Playing with some feedback, some spread. Let's just do madness mode for a moment. Messing with the time is a nice trick here too. Number 4, a classic with a twist. So let's just do a standard quarter time delay. Put the feedback in the mix wherever you like them most. Now you can choose an effect to add on top. I'm gonna do a little wobble here. We'll do a slow wobbling rate with a little bit of depth, about 60%. Now with just a little bit of scattering, some spacing. Here's dry. And number 5, vintage power. We're gonna be using that wobble engine again this time. We're gonna really show off how great it is. We're gonna do super slow, lots of depth. Basically just throw it on like that. You can mess with any of the other parameters how you want. Just listen to how it affects the sound. Let's do Foley wet. Hear it kind of detuning. This is all without modulation, without any presets, just using what's on the front of this thing. There's so much to check out. Go check it out. Minimal.audio. Not minimalaudio.com. Minimal.audio. All right, peace. Thank you.